Hello guys, you guys welcome to a lovely video today. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use trailing stop um for on Bybit. All right, so trailing stop for your trades on Bybit. So Bybit is one of the few exchanges right there that trades futures or derivative, whatever you call it. They're the only one that trades this thing and uses trailing stop. I'm going to show you how important trailing stops are in trading and how you can use them on Bybit. Alright guys, make sure you like and subscribe if you're already loving this video. Click on the bell notification button to get notification each time I upload a brilliant video like this. So that being said, let's dive right into the video. So I'm going to be explaining what trailing stop is. So most of you guys must already know what trailing stop is, but I'm just going to explain it the way it's going to be. It's going to be easy for newbies. All right, so now we all know we see charts like this, up and down, up and down. Now take for example, you want to sell from this point, so price is at resistance. You want to sell at resistance right here, and right now you are selling, and this is your entry point. All right, so this is your entry point, and right now price keeps going down, which means you're in profit, and price is about to get to your TP area, which is around here. So but price keep going down. All right, so now you are in profit. You're scared if price should not just go back up and go back into losses. All right, so in this way, to prevent that what you're just going to do is easy. All right, so now you have your price going down. Right now you can see your price going down. You're now in profit because you're selling and price is in profit. Now you can now, and you put your stop loss around here, you can now shift your stop loss to this point or this point, meaning no matter what happens, if trade goes back against you, it's going to stop you in loss, but this time it's going to hit your stop loss, but it won't stop you in loss. It's going to stop you in profit because you have trailed your stop loss. You have moved your stop loss into profit. I like to call it back up my profit. So when I say back up profit, I'm talking about taking your stop loss into your profit and protecting what you have already made. This idea is brilliant, and this way you're not going to have issues with or fear if price is going to go back and reverse and touch your stop loss or go back to loss. So this way, I think with this I'll be able to explain, you guys will be able to understand, and I'll be able to explain the way I can. So right now, let me just show you guys how to take this trade. So right now, I will be selling quickly. Let me just do a quick sharp analysis. I might be wrong on this one, but let me just do a quick sharp analysis. I can see resistance, so I will be selling Bitcoin at the moment, and I'm going to put my stop loss area at 62,198. So 62,198. I just rushed to Bybit. I've already cut out some few funds for this video, so I'm just going to click on BTC USDT. Make sure it's on market. Put a very low percentage because I'm just playing with this. So stop loss is at 62. I can't remember again. 62,198. 62,198. And I'm just going to put my TP. Okay, the fact that I'm selling, so I'm going to put my TP. I'm going to put my TP at let's just say 60 0888, just anything at all. 60 088 60. All right, so this way I'm just going to click on confirm, and now I'm just going to push the open short, which is also saying sell. So I've pushed that, I've confirmed it. The trade is now open, right, with my stop loss and TP. So what I'm just going to do is to click on the trade. It's ongoing. You can see numbers changing there. I'm just going to click on that trade. Now you can see trailing stop, right, below. Check below. On this you can see trailing stop. You can just click on trailing stop and add your new stop loss to it. So I'm just going to go back to the chart and pick a new stop loss. So let's assume I'm in profit, but price is going back up. Okay, now I can just adjust the stop loss from here, and I can take it up to this point. Whatever it is, I can just put 62320, 62320, and click on confirm. My stop loss has changed. You can now see I have trading stop loss. You can see the notifications above, and now this way my stop loss has been changed. So guys, I'm just going to close this trade. I've made about 32 cents. Let me see if I can leave it for some time. Okay, so if you guys want to join my trading signal class, make sure you click in the link in the description and join the Telegram group or also the WhatsApp group. I'm going to put a link in the WhatsApp group, but the reason why I'm not putting a link on the WhatsApp group is when the WhatsApp group gets filled up, more people who want to enter will not be able to go in. Some people might be seeing this video in the next 2 or 3 months. So click in the Telegram group, then I'll always put the WhatsApp group in the Telegram group. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have understand how to trade stop loss using this method. I'm just going to close this trade right now.